Hey, hello, how are you? You'll be surprised I have discovered a set of stories which are quite similar to Panchatantra, where animals are the lead characters but very, very different. Panchatantra stories give us moral education or tell us how to live a moral life, but these stories are very different. So, let me tell you the story of a rabbit. Yes. So this rabbit was very enthusiastic and he was very energetic. Whatever work comes his way, he would just do it in a jiffy. And he was a happy, happy, happy animal. And one day he decided to build a nice garden. So he cleared the land and made sure that water can be brought out by the nearby river. And he got some beautiful flowers plants. He planted and made a boundary, and he also beautified it with stones, and he spent so much time in that garden, and it took years and years to build that beautiful garden. And now, after some years, his garden started blooming. Yes, the spring was visiting Rabbit's garden, and there was a magpie, a bird. You remember that magpie bird? If not, then go back and watch my story, uh, where magpie wanted to eat pancakes but did not do anything. So in this story, magpie did a similar thing. What she did this time, she spread the word, yes, through her friends, and also asked them to spread it across word. And then what, suddenly so many animals, birds, insects started visiting Rabbit's garden. It became so famous. Rabbit became so famous. He was happy. Oh, people, I mean animals, but yeah. They are visiting his garden. But what is this? Within a week or so, he realized that there were very few flowers left in his garden. So what these visitors were doing, they were visiting the garden, and while leaving the garden, they would pluck a flower or two as souvenir. And within a month, the whole garden was left with, yes, nothing. And then, after some time, animals stopped visiting this garden. And Rabbit was sitting in his garden, scratching his head, eyes full of moisture, and he was thinking. Yeah, he was thinking. That's it. That's the story. Now you tell me. Now you tell me, what would you do? We do not know whether the rabbit is going to rebuild the garden or not. He's going to leave that place. He's going to send letters to all these animals and tell them that they have spoiled his garden and he's left with no hope, or he's going to rebuild it, or all the birds or animals would come and help him to rebuild it. We don't know. We don't know what can be the end of this story. So your work is to think about it and tell me what this rabbit would do. You have to suggest. All right, tell me, how did you like this story? I loved this genre, very interesting. It made me think. And that's the purpose of our lives, isn't it? To think critically. Anyway, I'll say bye bye, and we'll meet again very soon.